Tired of identity governance issues slowing your organization down? Many organizations face clear identity governance challenges. Access reviews remain incomplete. Excess access builds up. Audits stretch over longer cycles. Yet, governance initiatives stall due to a common misconception. Fixing this means replacing our IAM platform. In truth, most governance failures stem not solely from the IAM system. They arise from poorly designed governance controls atop existing infrastructure. IAM platforms serve as a foundation for authentication, directory services, and enforcement. Discover identity governance solutions. Identity governance tackles distinct questions compared to IAM. IAM queries: can a user authenticate and gain system access? Governance asks: should they retain that access and can we prove it? These concerns operate differently. Effective governance emphasizes visibility into access, accountability for decisions, consistent review and enforcement, and evidence reflecting reality over time. None of this demands removing existing IAM controls. It simply requires adding structure around them. How it works. Mature organizations rarely begin governance by trying to fix everything. They start with high-risk access, narrow review scope, improve decision quality. Common starting points include simplifying access reviews for regulated systems, improving reviewer accountability, closing remediation gaps. This incremental approach reduces risk without destabilizing operations. One of the biggest fears around governance initiatives is unintended impact: broken access, business disruption, slower onboarding, operational overload. When governance is layered correctly, access enforcement remains unchanged. Authentication flows remain intact. Existing IAM investments continue operating. Governance improves how decisions are made and verified, not how users log in. Audit frameworks require access oversight, accountability, and evidence of control. They do not require replacing IAM platforms. Audit pain often increases during large IAM transitions. Incremental governance improvements reduce audit effort, improve evidence quality. Verify remediation before expanding coverage. Reducing review volume without reducing control. Increase confidence without introducing instability. Moreover, this governance model provides clarity and control. Scalability limits can hinder organizational growth and adaptability. Architectural constraints may prevent integration with modern technologies. Vendor stagnation can lead to outdated features and security vulnerabilities. Strategic consolidation helps streamline processes and reduce complexity. Replacement is appropriate when governance models cannot evolve. Constant professional services engagement can indicate a need for change. Organizations succeed by first aligning on governance goals. Clear ownership enhances accountability and decision-making. Improvements can be made on top of existing IAM infrastructure without a complete overhaul. Better review design improves oversight and compliance. Verified remediation ensures that issues are properly addressed. Controls aligned to real risk enhance security and efficiency. Sounds promising? This resource is here to eliminate roadblocks. Many governance programs falter not due to a lack of intent, but because organizations mistakenly think improvements necessitate disruption. To explore how identity governance can develop without the need for IAM replacement, read the full analysis. Identity governance without ripping and replacing IAM. Check the link below for more information. Identity governance should reduce risk, not generate new uncertainties. Organizations that succeed start small, enhance outcomes first, gradually widen coverage, and preserve stability while boosting control. Governance doesn't require uprooting IAM, but necessitates evolving how governance aligns with existing structures.